As you can see that on the home screen we are showing a text that is called home screen, and if we do some changes here we will also see the changes. If I write hello, and now you can see the hello text as well. Alright, now let's go to the browser and see the Figma. So if you see on the Figma we are having a home screen. Here on the home screen we are having a different background color. Currently the background color is white. Alright, so how we make this, we have to make this background color, and we are having a different color code for the text and so on. So first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create one folder that is called constants folder, constants, like this. Inside of that folder I'm gonna create one file that is called color.js. okay, and after that I'm gonna write const colors is equal to one empty object, and inside that object I'm gonna add a property called background. Alright, and after that I'm gonna go on the browser. Okay, so this is the background which we want. As you can see that inside the colors we are having a background, so you have to just click on this this square, and once you click on that you will see the fill option. Inside that fill we are having a color code. Just copy the color code, go back to the code and paste the color code like this. Okay, now after the color code you are having another thing that is called text color as well. The text primary, this is the text primary color, and this is the text secondary color. Alright, so let's add another key as well. The first key will be text primary. Alright, and we're gonna have another key will be text secondary. Okay, and we're gonna have one more key that is called icon primary. Okay, and we are having icon secondary. Okay, now once you do that, created all the property, let's add all the code, color code. So this is our icon color text primary color. So you have to just click on the text. Okay, you have to click on text, and you can see inside the fill we are having a color code. Copy this color code and you have to paste the color code like this. Use the hash and you have to just paste the color code. Now let's go back to the Figma again, and you have to select this color, select the text. Okay, once you select the text you have to copy this color code. Alright, now let's add this color code as well. Now after that let's go back to the browser. If you see on the icon we are having an icon, and this is the icon primary color. So let's copy this icon primary color as well, and let's add the icon primary as well like this. Okay, now let's go back. So we are having another icon color as well that is called icon secondary. So this is the icon secondary color. So select this icon, copy this color code. Okay, and go back to the Figma, go back to the code and paste the color code. Alright, so as you can see that we had created one colors object where we are having a background, text primary, text secondary, icon primary. Initially we are just focusing on to create a dark theme. Once we created the dark theme app, we will let you know how to implement a light theme as well. Alright, so currently we are doing static thing. We will make it dynamic as well for light theme and the dark theme as well. Alright, so we are created one object called colors object. Here we have defined all the colors which we are going to use for our application for the dark mode. Alright, now let's go back to the home screen. Here we have to change the color. So first of all, inside the view I'm gonna add style, and style is equal to styles dot container. Okay, now let's copy this container, and here what we're gonna do, I'm gonna write container like this. I'm gonna write background color. The background color value will be colors. So we have to import the colors from the colors. As you can see that I imported the colors from the // constant / color. I'm using one extension that is called auto import extension. So you can also install this auto import extension, and that will make your life simpler. Alright, as you can see that this is the extension which I'm using, auto import. Let's go back. Now after that, inside the background color we are having colors dot background. As you can see that we get the suggestion of colors dot background. Now as you can see that it's just highlighting this hello text. Now here what we're gonna do, I'm gonna write flex as a 1. So it will take the whole height and width of your application, and it make the background color as a blue kind of color. Alright, now as you can see that our text is not visible because the text color is black. Alright, now we're gonna get rid of this text. After that, if you see on the home screen we are having a 2 icon. Alright, the first the hamburger icon, the drawer icon, and the search icon. Before that, let's do one thing to show you guys quickly. Now if we write text, we write hello, and if we make the color will be white, so you can see the text as well, just showing you guys so you don't feel we are not able to see something. Now if I make the color is a white and we can see the color, you can see the text, right? All right, now what we're gonna do, we have to create this header component, and we have to also use the React Native vectors icon. All right, to use this icon, what we have to do, first of all, we have to install the React Native vectors icon, and after that we can use it. All right, so let's install the React Native vectors icon.